Now, Ravi, very good morning to you and thanks so much for calling us. How can we help you today?
Yeah, good morning, Alex, and Shubh Navratri to all of you.
Shubh Navratri to you as well and your family.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I'm having Vodafone shares quantity 5,50,000 at the rate of 8 rupees 78 paise. Fine. I just bought it in recent surge. So a very short-term view I have for the next one month or 2 months only. So I just want to know that what could be the possibility. Should I hold or should I exit from this stock?
I'm just wondering, and this is out of curiosity, Ravi, two questions. One, since it's a trading idea, I'm just wondering, is this a very large percentage of your shareholding?
I mean, you can say more than 80% of my entire capital is in this Vodafone stock.
Let me go across to expert and find out what they have to say. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask both of them. On the technical side, of course, Swati, since this is a short-term question, he's bought a significant quantity, 5.5 lakh shares at a price of 8.78. And though it's not too far away from the current market price, he's losing a significant amount of value. What should he do?
Yes, Alex, you have rightly pointed out at the nearby rate, he is having a buying quantity and very huge quantity. And this month we have already seen a very good amount of a momentum. At least the stock has given almost 30-31%. And I believe we might witness some sort of a profit bookings nearby 9 levels. 9 is acting as a very crucial support levels, and already the counter has shown a very smart rally from 6 to 9 levels. If it doesn't give the breakout of 9 rupees on the higher side, then we are likely to witness some sort of a profit booking. If you want to keep a profits stop losses, 7.9 is acting as a very crucial support levels. A tight stop loss is there. Since you have a huge quantity, you might face a huge losses as well. To keep as a tight stop loss of 7.9 rupees, and if you're getting any momentum towards to 9.50, I would suggest to book your profits. No need to carry for a longer term duration this particular stock.
Ravi, the limited point is that if you are putting 80% of your capital to work, do you want to put it in a stock that might give you returns over the short term, or do you want to put it in a stock that will give you returns in all likelihood or will earn a significant amount of revenue and profitability over the course of the next 5 to 10 years? That is a question that I'm asking. And so therefore, from that lens, Asta, if you were to take money off the table from Vodafone Idea and you were to invest in a long-term growth strategy, where would you invest?
Sure. So first of all, I would like to say, and I would like to request to Ravi that please don't put your, large amount in any of the stock which is under uncertainties, because there something is going on. The court, Supreme Court is also addressing their plea now. The September 26th, they have deferred the plea. Now government is also coming in the support of that. But there are various uncertainties. Now, along with the uncertainties, fundamentals are also not very supportive. Why? Because the other peers like Bharti Airtel, like Reliance, their ARPUs are high than this company's ARPU's average revenue, per user. So we have to see fundamentals also along with the kind of uncertainties which is hovering around the counter. So in such a case, please don't put your huge amount or huge hard-earned money in such type of counter. Now, talking about this counter, let's wait, because I think Friday, September 26th is the date when the Supreme Court will again listen to the plea. And what is the comforting part is now that government is also in a support of this company. However, fundamentals are not so attractive. Their fundamentals like ARPU rose just 0.6% if I compare to the other peers like Bharti Airtel, etc. So just wait for some more time and let's see how the verdict comes. Meanwhile, I would recommend that if you get some higher price, try to exit from this counter and now look after the other peers.
Would you agree that this is a hope trade? Would you agree that this is a hope trade?
Yes. This is a hope trade. Yes, because I don't want him to fetch huge losses before the final verdict comes. Maybe if verdict comes in the favor of a company, we might see some sort of upside. So the loss can be reduced. So here it is the whole game of high risk.
High
and
reward.
If he can take
therefore,
high risk and high reward.
No, so to both of you, just to close out this conversation, in the case of a hope trade, how much of your capital would you allocate, in your opinion, to a hope trade? Asta, you first.
See, I do never
I know, but I'm
allocate
saying
and
if you had to allocate to a high risk strategy which has a chance of you losing your capital entirely, how much would you allocate?
hardly 10 to 20%,
Okay.
not more than that.
Okay. And you,
Not more
Swati?
than
Sorry, you're on mute.
I'm really sorry, Alex. Yes, definitely. If we do the comparative analysis and if the risk reward ratio is really not favorable, 10 to 15% is sufficient amount to take a risk.